Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Kindle books on Amazon. To purchase the Kindle books from Amazon, first of all open up a web browser and go to Amazon.com website. Sign into your Amazon account like you normally do. If you don't have an account, you will need to create a free Amazon account. Once you're logged into your account, go to the top of the screen from the main home page and enter the name of the book that you are looking for. Once you look for the book, from the search result, go ahead and select the book and click on it. Make sure that you select the Kindle edition while purchasing the book. Click on the Kindle option on the right hand side of your book and then click on the Read for Free option if you want to read for free for 30 days. By clicking on this option, you will be able to read your book free for 30 days. Simply click on the option and then enter your payment method on the next page. Enter your credit card or debit card number, the name on the card, choose its expiry date and enter the CVV code. Finally, click on Add your card and follow through the instructions in order to make your payment. Confirm your payment and proceed to check out, and you should be able to purchase the book with Amazon. If you have a Kindle device or Kindle app on your smartphone or tablet, the purchased book will automatically be delivered to your device. So that is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.